Hey, so I just wanted to come to you with a quick tip for home buying. I've been getting a lot of questions lately and wanted to share this information with you. So people are asking, what type of credit, or does credit really matter when you are trying to get a home? And the answer is yes, it does matter. Now, you can get a loan for a low credit score. So if you had a score of maybe like 500, it's possible to get a loan. But you have to put down more money, and I mean a lot more money. So when you say, is my credit important? It really is, because the better your score, the less you are expected to bring. Now, you can put down whatever you want, but if you have a low score, you have to bring in more. So if you can get your score over 600 and even over 700, that would really work in your favor. So the best options are out there and they're available for you, but you do need to work hard, and it is important. Just wanted you to know that. If you've got any questions, please give me a call, 630-299-6487, and we can sit down and look at your credit and get a plan together for you to get into a home. Talk to you soon.